Telegram didn't get the code how to fix. So if you didn't get the code on Telegram and then you want to fix it, there are a couple of ways to do so. First of all, if you have been trying to log in with your phone number, you hit the arrow option. Make sure the phone number that you're trying to log in with, the same phone number is also inserted on this particular phone, because nowadays before the SMS verification they do a calling verification. So as long as your SIM card is still inserted and working fine, you should receive a call which Telegram will automatically detect and log you into your account. If it doesn't, then only you'll find the option to request an SMS. Now even if you request an SMS, you don't get the code on the SMS app. Sometimes what happens is Telegram does not send the code on SMS app, but instead to those devices where your account is still logged in. So if your account is still logged in on your devices like computer, tablet, or on your other phone, if Telegram sees that it is still logged in, then it will send the code on those devices first. Now if nothing works, then what you can try to do is you can try to uninstall the Telegram app, wait a couple of hours to reinstall it, and just try to log in again. If nothing works, then last but not the least, open your Play Store, search for Telegram X. This app is available on both Play Store and App Store. Make sure to download this application from Telegram developers themselves, and this application might actually help you get the code and just let you log in. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.